Rumi, a young golden-furred dog, gets lost in the jungle during a storm and is adopted by a wise mother wolf named Luma, who raises him among her pack. Despite initial challenges and his differences, Rumi earns his place through bravery and loyalty, becoming a respected member of the wild. Years later, he encounters his past when his former owner Tara returns to the jungle. After a heartfelt reunion and a near-tragic trap incident, Rumi chooses to stay with his pack, embracing his identity as a wolf dog. He becomes a legendary protector of the jungle, a bridge between the world of humans and the wild.